Pop star Olly Murs has praised Simon Cowell for opening up about having therapy and says it will encourage more men to seek help. Simon was the first guest on the Mirror's new Men in Mind podcast. He revealed he sought professional help for the first time aged 63 after his mental health plummeted during COVID, and that it had changed his life. Now Olly, who shot to fame on Simon's X Factor in 2009, has said he too had benefited from seeing a specialist. Speaking at the Heineken-partnered National Television Awards, Olly said, "I think therapy is massively important for everyone. I don't think it's something you should shy away from. We are always unearthing and unlocking new things about ourselves, and trying to understand why I reacted this way or why I said this or why I'm feeling like this. I think the more you know yourself the better you are. And sometimes speaking to strangers helps. I did it years ago before I did The Voice and it was incredible for me. It's great that someone like Simon is talking about that because he is someone that people look up to like a god. Well, for me anyway, I think about what he has achieved and what he has done. Someone like him, a strong, powerful man, and you look at what he's created in his career. For someone like him to talk about it is only going to help other men, and if that can help one person or hundreds of men to talk out more, then that's great." Men in Mind is a campaigning mini-series in association with mental health charity Mind. On it, some of the most popular male celebs in the UK open up on issues they've had over the years. Talking about therapy in last week's show, Simon admitted, "When I see my friends, the first thing I talk about is how therapy has had this super positive effect on my life. I wish I had done this 10 or 20 years ago, it's like a weight has lifted off my shoulders." Mind's research found that a quarter of men said that feeling embarrassed was the main thing stopping them from seeking help. With 1 in 8 men affected by mental health problems, the aim of the podcast is simple: to encourage more of them to open up. To listen to the podcast, find us on Apple Podcasts, or podfollow.com/meninmind. For further support and advice around mental health, see mind.org.uk.